If you struggle drawing faces from different angles, this video will help fix that. If you've been following me for a while now, you probably know I mostly do characters and portraits. In this video, I'm going to show you how I draw faces for my artworks. I'll teach you how to draw the front view, 3/4 view, and side profile, plus some important insights about the head overall. Now, faces vary from person to person, so this will be more about general measurements and how I personally apply them in my work. I'll keep these as beginner friendly as possible so it's easy to digest. So here's an image of a skull, and as you can see, this skull will be your basis for drawing the face. First, we're gonna draw an oval or circle shape. Most people use a circle. If you don't know, it's because to simplify and represent the skull and then add the jaw later. Now I'll add the center line. Now the center line is basically what will help us to keep the face symmetrical and will show us how the features shift when the head moves or rotates. The eyes usually sit at the midpoint of the face, from the top of the head to the bottom of the chin. Now, when the head is facing directly forward, we see more of the face and less of the back of the head, as you can see here. And this will change later in the 3/4 view. Next is ear placement. The ear usually lines up here with the eyes, the bottom of the nose, and that's a quick way to know where it should sit. For eye spacing, you should be able to fit about one eye length in between the eyes, which helps us to make the face look more believable. Now let's talk about proportions. I usually divide the face into 3/3. Hairline to brow line to the bottom of the nose, and bottom of the nose to the bottom of the chin. Keep in mind that these proportions can change if you're drawing in a very cartoony or super deformed style like chibi, so don't treat them as strict rules or something. Last thing for the front view would be the jaw. The jaw sits close to the mouth line but slightly higher, so its position can change depending on the angle of the head. As usual, we start with an oval-like shape. As you can see, compared to the front view, the 3/4 view shows more of the back of the head. As the head rotates, the center line also changes or shifts. In a 3/4 view, the center line moves to the side and the ear or the far side gets covered by the face. This is the most important thing to remember for a 3/4 view. When the head turns more to the side, you see more of the back of the head and less of the half side of the face. And when it turns more towards the front, you see more of the face and less of the back of the head. When you understand this, it will make your head drawings look way more believable. I personally struggled with this early on because I skipped fundamentals and relied only on shapes, and learning the basics first made a huge difference for me. I'll just erase some of the sketchy lines so you can see it more clearly. Lastly, the side profile. If the 3/4 view shows a bit more of the back of the head, we see even more of the back of the head in side view. I'll start with a circle again, keeping it simple and not overly stylized so you can see clearly the structure. And you can always exaggerate or stylize later as long as it still looks believable and you understand how it's supposed to look. If the eye in front view looks like two triangles put together, the side view only shows one triangle, so it would look more like this. Now, for the eye inside profile, there's a small gap for the nose bridge. So the nose bridge tells us where the nose will start. So in this demonstration, the nose will start here, right in the middle of the eye here. Now, the back of the head or the skull usually ends slightly below the ear, so here it usually ends. And from here, we can then connect the neck. Now I'm just gonna erase some guidelines and just add a bit of shading for depth. And we're done. Now, remember, applied knowledge is power, so doesn't matter how many videos, tutorials, or books you watch if you don't practice. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye!
어젯밤과 함께 떠나간 떠난게는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아, 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.